This product was developed with a really simple design brief. It was to be the lightest full arrest block ever conceived in the world.
Tried to approach it differently and actually trying to make it look not like everything else on the market.
We took basic seatbelt technology, we scaled it, we played with it, we adapted it, and we put some better energy management behind it, and then we put a nice big steel chassis around it to make sure it's really robust and really strong.
Internally we took brakes that were very fast lock-on brakes, so they weren't just about the speed.
And by sticking with the seatbelt technology, which uses inertia instead of speed, it means we get the world's fastest lock-on.
It really keeps you safe when you're using this, because you are limiting your free fall distance that you get. So we combined some products inside for the first time. So the shaft was integrated with the brakes.
The product is packed with innovative and patented features, and still to this day, in its size and its class, remains a class-leading product, and has gone on to sell tens of thousands of units worldwide. It was one of the first products in our sector that was designed with aesthetics and user performance cohesively linked together.
And it was the basis for the Atom X design, using essentially the same technology in this, and we only developed that further on.
And in actual fact, from a space perspective, there's lots of wasted space, but because of all the contours, the curves, and the way it leads you round, it follows the Greek principle of design. Add to that mind-numbing user and technical performance, this product is absolutely fit for purpose today and for the future to come.